Hello, my alien students. Welcome back. So this is part 3 of the series of videos for Revit architecture. In the previous video, I showed, I guess we were trying to insert a PDF. Just a minute. So our aim was, this is a PDF. Okay, so I can't because I have a 2019 version of Revit here in this computer which I'm recording, so doesn't have an insert PDF option. Okay, I have converted this PDF into an image and I will insert it. So you're going to insert an image. Okay, just wondering this question. I just want to ask you a question. What are these called? What are these called? Hmm? Do you know what are they called? Okay, I want you to put them in the comment section. Okay, what are these stuff called? Why is it circle? Why is it not square? And sometimes you do see it as a rectangle with with an with the with an triangle on it, and sometimes you see a circle on it. So what's the difference? Okay, I want you to comment in the comment section. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a an image, because I have converted this floor plan into an image. Our aim is to finish the building, do it completely in Revit architecture. So anyhow, so let's do that. I have inserted the image. How did I do that? Insert image. Okay. Okay. This is not a good practice keeping the image. They are called elevation markers. Okay. They are called elevation markers. Not a good habit to keep anything outside this. So what I can do is I can probably move these elevation markers outside. Okay. Okay. This is just an image. Okay. We are in level 1 floor plan, and we've inserted this. Okay. This is in imperial units. We have dimensions. So I show you maybe in the next class how do we play with this video. How do we play? We have an image. Somebody's given us this image. Okay, in your case it will be. So please don't ask me this image. Come on, you have a lot of images on internet. You can find one of them. Okay, my students can ask me, but okay. So anyhow, so this is the story. So we have a room which is 11 by 38, 11 by 36, and then 11 by 33. So we're going to do something in the next class. Okay, I want you to give me your comments. What we're going to do in the next class? What's the first thing you're going to catch now? Okay, so let's see each other in part 4 of this class. Okay, I hope everybody enjoyed this class. We just learned how to we import or insert an image. Okay, so till then, take care, have a beautiful evening. Yeah, okay, bye.